দো হেগো ছোঁড়া চুদির বেটা অশিক্ষিত অসমর্থ চুদমারানির শালা ফেদা খেগো মল খেগো কুত্তে কুকুরের বাচ্চা এত স্পর্ধা করিস কি করে হাউ ইউ আর বিলিয়ন বিলিয়ন পিপল ড্র্যাগিং in such a brutal manner, what difficult inconvenience, sleepless, and then you are involving in sex coitus, other kind of wrong activities, dragging each other, pulling each other, making as a rabid dog without knowing they are totally inability, inconvenience, there is an irritated state, with the odds difficulties in fair state, frightened state, in such a way you are calling in vicious manner, you have increased, you have shown me prudence. For this state, I have asking a digital player, you should not dare on private evil privilege. I have suspended you. Stop immediately. I have changed your nationality. You go. I have put, I will not be able to take away in India. Will kill you, death penalty. So you live instantly. All digital plays and collars, etc., or arranging any kind of evilism. There were information on 10 cliches doing this kind of vicious activity. Where you maintaining, remaining, you all evil. Few numbers, maybe 2,000 probably were. Yesterday's count, less than, nobody was to show mobiles or to present themselves. How you here dared to come here? Hey, छोड़ा चुदरी बेटा बागा बाग नरकादक तुमने सुन लिया सारे विष्णुपुर बर्धमान हुगली चिंसोरा गोघाट बर्धमान आरामबाग विष्णुपुर कटालपुर सारे तुम्हारे कितने लोग वी हैव किल्ड but you are not been able, you are making, you are still under instigation of Obama, Kamala Harris, all evil, Bill Gates, etc., then is a Democrat. Evils, 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 who have risen all sir, Shalamada, Fakar, Shakar, evil criminal, আরে ঝাট কিচ্ছু দেরি বেটা চোড় চোড় বাচ্চা অসভ্য ভিসিয়াসলি ইলেবিলিটি মাদাচ্চোত বাঞ্চোত ব্যাঞ্চোত মাংকি পা অসভ্য বর্বর ইউ শুড নট ডু আর গো এগেনস্ট মি টু শো এনি রং অ্যাটিচিউড ইউ ডিসক্লোজ অল ইউর প্রেজেন্স ওয়ার and do not wear your evil faces. Do not import. Do not keep any private mobile or distributing this vicious kind of mobiles or import. Do not touch my females, girls or women's, babies, etc. Never sacred men, women. Do not tie to rope even legs or wearing etc. ring. I am very much angry, Obama. Obama culprit kutte kukkur sorara bacha. Your vicious link with Gogad, Jipta, Kotalpur, Kamarpur, Arambag, Vishnupur, Bardhaman, Durgapur, etc. Too much, too much, too much prophet, too much evilism, too much evilism, too much evilism par. I will punish you all Negroes, evil Musliman. Too much, too much, too much, too much fanatism, evil criminal Satan, you not nobility, you were not a capacity of politician, you savage, viciously barbar criminal. You who are here to support against you and you evils who are in land USA, all in Mexican Gulf, my underneath. My anguish, you have seen, learned, who are blocking me, my social media, and why till date I have not been brought, but copying my words, write up, etc., through their foul mouth. The Bengali write up, translating or feeding Modi, etc., all evil you to praise S. Jaishankar, etc., evil criminals, wearing faces, satanism, witchcraft, climate changer, sea water misuser, sea utilidad, evilism, you remaining and daring to defy me. I am from Asia and old America, and to new America, Sam called Sam compulsion, where no barbarism, evil, savage, liar, anarchist or religious criminal can live. No, they have highest responsibility duties from God. I have put them in highest duty, responsibility who want to stay to get religiously benefit. No savage religious can be allowed to in continent.